Hey there. So you're wondering how much does it cost to work with a StoryBrand certified guide? I'm here to share some of that information with you. So if you want to attend a StoryBrand live workshop with Donald Miller and the team in Nashville leading it, you'll get to work with a StoryBrand certified guide there at that live workshop. So the live workshop you can find on the StoryBrand website. It's typically $1,499 to attend that workshop. If you have multiple people going to that workshop, they give you a discount and it's like $1,249. If you want the deluxe experience, there is the higher rate of $4,900, and that comes with a lot of VIP experiences, so darn well worth it. But at that $1,499 price, you'll be working with about 3 or 4, maybe 5 other people also attending the workshop, and you get to work with a certified guide there. I'm very excited to share. I'm Margie Moore, and I will be a certified guide this year at a StoryBrand Live workshop coming right up. I'm really excited to announce that. Some other information about working with a StoryBrand guide. Price ranges do vary significantly. If you're trying to get a StoryBrand brand script work done, sometimes the prices can be like between $1,500 to $3,500. If you're just trying to get the brand script and some website copy, that can be between $3,500 to $6,000 just to get the website copy, not put on a website, not designed into a website, anything like that, just that copy. So a full scope engagement, of course, costs more, like $5,000 to $10,000 just to get that specifically for you. When you are looking for specific help for your specific industry, like managed service providers, StoryBrand workshop, manufacturers, custom home builders, these are areas we work in. You do pay a premium for people who have experience working with your field. So let me tell you some prices on getting your StoryBrand brand script, message clarity, ideal client personas, and all of that wrapped up into a website that is built for search and AI search. So a firm like Big Orange that works with specific industries, perhaps your specific industry, we'll go through a complete customer discovery process at the beginning. We'll look at your ideal clients, we'll look at and create personas, we'll do a StoryBrand workshop, we'll look at your competitors, and we'll look at your SEO keywords. Then we'll do a workshop, and then we'll come out with your copy for your website. Then a firm like us will spend 2 more months creating the StoryBrand look, the clear, compelling calls to action, and back and forth building a website for 2 additional months of $8,088. Building that StoryBrand website so it will get found for SEO, get found for AI search, and convert those visitors to leads. So when you're getting all of that together, typically you're looking at a price like $24,000, and then other firms do charge a little bit more. So $24,000 and up. So that's some information on how much it costs to work with a StoryBrand certified guide.